next to natural phenomena and consequences of high specific heat capacity of water. We already learned the specific heat capacity is more for the water. With the help of that one, what are the advantages? Let us understand one by one. Some consequences of high specific heat capacity. What is the value? 4200 joule per kg per Kelvin are given below. Some of the consequences. Let us understand one by one. Hot water bottles are used for fermentation. Fermentation in order to remove the heat, remove the entire pain from the pain relief. We will use this fermentation. It is a medical technique. How it will be used? Let us understand. The reason is that water does not cool quickly because of the due to high specific heat capacity, so that it is not cool quickly due to its high specific heat capacity. So hot water bottles provides more heat energy for fermentation over a long period. It cannot be cool quickly, so that due to high specific heat capacity, we will use hot water bottles for fermentation. Next, water is used as a effective coolant. Coolant is nothing but in order to remove the heat generated in the case of the radiator as well as engines. Whatever the heat developed in engine as well as radiators, how to remove it? See here, by allowing water to flow in a pipe, water is flowing to that around the heated parts of the machine. Wherever the machine is, wherever the heat is generating at that exact location, you should send the whatever the water through a pipes. Heat energy such parts is removed. Heat energy by absorbing the heat from the entire machine by water, you can remove the heat. Water in pipes can extract more heat from the surroundings without much rise in its temperature because of its high specific heat capacity. Even though this one, whatever the water is heated parts from the machines and radiators, it will be receiving, and again it is a high specific heat capacity, so that heated water will be comes out to the other end of the pipe. So this is why radiators in a car and generator use water for cooling system. Whatever the generator and again the radiator in the cars, even though in the case of the refrigerator also, we will use water as a, wherever the machine is there, in order to remove the heat from that machine, we will use water as a coolant. Next, all plants and animals have high content of water in their bodies. Water is majority portion for the inside the human body as well as animal and also plants. The reason is all plants and animals have nearly 80 to 90% of water. Content of the water present in the body is 80 to 90% of water in their bodies. This water, because of its high specific heat capacity, it needs high amount of heat in order to increase the temperature of the corresponding water. So maintains nearly the same temperature in all the seasons. Maintains because of the water present inside the animals and as well as plants, so that due to high specific heat capacity, the entire temperature inside the body will animal as well as plant, it will be same in all the seasons. So with the help of the water also, you can maintain the body temperature same in all the seasons. Next, the climate near the seashore is moderate. Seaside location during the daytime and as well as the night time also, both day and night time it will be cool or moderate. So situation, it is not more height, less cool. Because of the reason is due to solar radiation, whatever the sun is, solar radiation falls on the land surface as well as the water surface during the daytime, so that water on the surface of the sea or ocean, it will be started evaporating. Then the land surface is more heated than that of the water surface, so that it density goes down, it will reach the upper layer of the atmosphere because of the low density of the corresponding air. Then low density of the air is hot air. Hot air is the low density than that of the cold air. At the same time, the high density water droplets from the surface of the ocean or sea, it moves towards the land surface because of the entire cooling system surrounding the entire ocean is because of the sea, so that it is called as a sea breeze. During the daytime, the land surface is cooled down fastly, very fast compared to the sea surface. So that during the daytime, so whatever the land surface is quickly cools down, so the density goes up. And again on the surface of the ocean or sea, in that it will be cooling small amount of the fraction, so that whatever the high density particles from the land surface is moved towards the seaside location. So due to land breeze, the night times it will be entirely moderate. So during the daytime and as well as night time, daytime it is called as a sea breeze, and again the night time it is called as a land breeze due to effect of land, and again during the daytime it is due to effect of sea. So that in all the situations means day and night the climate is moderate in the seaside location or seashore. Next, in cold countries, water is used as a heat reservoir for wine and juice bottles to avoid their freezing. In order to overcome the water bottles and juice wine, and also it will be because of the inside the bottle, the temperature outside the temperature is very less, decreasing up to 0 degrees centigrade. In order to overcome that, how we will use the water? The reason is that water, due to its high specific heat capacity, can impact a large amount of heat before reaching its freezing point. In order to get reaching the freezing point, overcome the entire water. Hence, bottles kept in a water remains warm and they do not freeze even when there is considerable fall in the surrounding temperature. Even though outside the temperature is very less, whatever the bottles is kept inside the water, how much energy is needed getting from the water, so that entire the bottles will be cannot freeze by overcome the entire water. Next, farmers fill their fields with water to protect the crops from frost. In order to overcome from the frost crops, farmers fill their fields with water. How? On a cold winter night, the surrounding temperature will reaches 0 degrees centigrade. Water in the fine capillaries of plants will freeze. So the veins will burst due to increase in the volume of the water. Because of due to anomalous expansion of the water, it will be decreasing the temperature due to increasing the volume because of the specified temperature from 0 degree centigrade to 4 to 0 degree centigrade. Anomalous expansion of the water. As a result, plants will die and the crop will get destroyed. In order to save crop on such cold times, farmers fill their fields with water because of the water is a high specific heat capacity of the substance, so that because water has a specific heat capacity, so it does not allow the temperature in the surrounding area of plants to fall up to 0 degrees centigrade. So with the help of the water, the surrounding temperature cannot be reduced to 0 degrees centigrade. So that in order to overcome that, farmers fill their fields with water to protect the crops from the frost. These are the consequences of high specific heat capacity of water.